This is some breadfruit loaded fries from farm to table. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this.
And I remember when we used to sit in the government's yard in Trenchtown.
Alright guys, so we've got Paul, which is the man at the moment that's going to be making the food. We don't know what you tell me. We're planning to do some breadfruit fries, guys. He said he's not sure if he's gonna find the breadfruit. I believe in him. I think he'll be able to find it. So we're doing some loaded fries. Best of YouTube. Hail him up.
Everybody know Paul.
Everybody know Paul. Alright guys, so we're gonna see if we can get some ingredients at the close by shop, and then we're gonna get the video started. Stay tuned guys. Ready? Alright. So we are looking to get a breadfruit. We're trying to get that one right there. Will he pick the breadfruit? Can he pick the breadfruit? He angles the stick at an angle. The breadfruit was not picked. Paul. You want me to try?
Take a different angle. I can do it.
Hey, you got it. You get it? You get it? Man versus breadfruit. It's stuck. Yep, that's the box cover. Paul, the breadfruit nearly take him out. Oh my days. All right, we've got the most important ingredient, guys. Come and see it. Yeah. All right, we have the breadfruit. All right, here you go.
No, I said, when I like that's and then chop down from takes a lizard.
Have the breadfruit, guys.
No fire, no start pot or nothing.
You don't want extra set drain. Set drain out.
You can do it.
We don't know if you do it, I would then do.
Cut out the heart.
With the heart there.
See me?
The other one.
Put it down and I'm boil it and go.
Yeah.
Guys, we have cut out the breadfruit heart.
And yeah.
How are this? The stem.
Yeah, inside.
It's kind of hard, man.
No, cocoa.
Hmm?
You see how to know. Catch your breadfruit with your finger together and knife and
It's staying. Oh, it will come out. Eh? Not no waste powder system. So what we do now? Make it drain. Oh, I put the eggs, guys. So the breadfruit drain. Handle. Alright guys, pour over here. I start out the wood.
Why? Why?
The stick.
Yeah, catch a fire.
I'm excited. Come to the dance, Mocha. Mocha. Come here, Mocha. Alright guys. Paul's about to peel the breadfruit. cutting up the breadfruit into fry shapes. And then we're going to soak them in some salt water. Why you give up? You think it'll catch? Fire there, moose stealing, think a cool breeze. Eh?
That's a cool.
Yeah, we should have. Why? You think it'll catch?
You know, man.
I want something for you. Now you lost.
Oh, bram. So we're gonna use the inside of the coconut husk. Trying the fire again, guys. We're trying the fire again. New strategy. Alright, let's look back at it.
And then Georgie would make the fire light as it was, like we're burning through the night.
Alright guys, so we had the fries soaking in the salt water for quite some time. Now it's time to put them in the fire. Guys, breadfruit fries. This is going to be a fun one. Ooh, they're getting colorful. We're prepping all the ingredients for the loaded fries. We are getting some sweet pepper, we have an onion, and of course we have to have 2 scotch. Of course we have to have 2 scotch bonnet peppers. Woo! Have to have that scotch bonnet pepper, guys. So nice and breezy. I am so excited for this. Look at the colors. Woo, buddy.
Stop.
And the thing with the breadfruit fries is because you already soaked them in the water, you need no salt afterwards. You're literally just plating. Ooh. excited for this. Loaded fries like you've never seen it before, guys. This is some breadfruit loaded fries from farm to table. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this. So good. Again. Scale of 1 to 10. Too good. No. You soon get something.